We're excited to showcase the successful installation of this 70-ton solar-powered chiller room in Edo State, expertly designed and constructed by Dekoolar Nigeria Limited. The project features a robust roofing structure built with high-quality iron rods. This facility was designed to provide ample storage capacity while maintaining optimal temperature conditions for perishable products. One of the standout features of this installation is its solar power system. The facility is equipped with helping to reduce dependence on conventional electricity sources and lower operating costs. The project also includes a dedicated power room housing the inverter system, MPPT charge controller, and high-capacity lithium batteries. These components form the backbone of the solar energy system, ensuring efficient energy management, reliable power storage, and uninterrupted refrigeration performance. Are you planning a cold room, chiller room, blast freezer, or solar-powered refrigeration project? Partner with the experts trusted by businesses across Nigeria. Contact 090431326668 today for a customized solution tailored to your business needs.